धर्मबद्धो दौवारिके धर्मबद्धो दौवारिक इति पाठ्यांशस्य सारं लिखत. Write the summary of the lesson धर्मबद्धो दौवारिके. धर्मबद्धो दौवारिक इति पाठ्यांशे दौवारिकस्य स्वामिभक्तिम् उल्लिखत. Highlight the doorkeeper's loyalty to his master in the lesson धर्मबद्धो दौवारिके. धर्मबद्धो दौवारिक इति पाठ्यांशे गौरसिंहस्य पात्रं विवृणोत्. Describe the character of Gaur Sinha in the lesson Dharmabadho Dwarika. Ans, the present lesson Dharmabadho Dwarika is taken from the Kavya Siva Raja Vijayam written by Ambik Datta Vyasa. Siva Veera was living in Pratapa fort. Nearer to this fort, Afzal Khan, the chief of the army of Bijapur kingdom, launched a camp with many soldiers to attack Siva Veera. In this situation, this story happened. The doorkeeper of the fort Pratapa heard the sound of walking of a strange man. At once he asked, "Who are you?" Like this the doorkeeper asked 3 times. But that strange man did not give any reply to him. Then with angry the doorkeeper asked him, "Who is that dumb and deaf not giving me reply?" Then the strange heard the voice and said that, "Why you're hesitating me? Please cool down. I am coming there. After I came there I will explain all in detail." Even though there was darkness, the doorkeeper was seeing him and asked, "Oh, man, I did not know you. Did you not know about the order of Siva Veera that anybody who does not reply to me even after 3 times of my question will be punished with death?" Then a sage coming along with a boy of 12 years old to the doorkeeper. Then doorkeeper saw the sage. Then the sage told, "Why you are threatening a sage with harsh words?" Then the doorkeeper saw him as a sage. "I will salute you as a sage. You did not tell me about you, so I hesitated you." Then the sage told the doorkeeper that he should be sent inside. From today onwards, the sages, bachelors, boys should be sent inside the fort without asking any questions. Don't object them. The doorkeeper told him that, "I did not do so, because we are here to obey the order of Siva Raja and all other things are next." The sage requested the doorkeeper to send him inside. The doorkeeper told him that, "You will know everything after I took you to him." Really the sage in the Gaur Simha, the chief of the army of Siva Veera. He came there to test the doorkeeper. The sage wanted to still test him. He told the doorkeeper, "We are sages and siddhas. We know the theory of chemicals. If you do not object me to go inside, then I will give you mercury powder. With this you can make gold and silver. Tadhunev parishkrite parad bhasma tubhyam dadyam." Like this the sage told him bribing words. Then the doorkeeper got angry and told him, "What? Are you the spy to the Afzal Khan?" Then the doorkeeper caught hold of him with a knife and was taking away the sage to the chief of that fort. Maya Bahusha Parikshitose. There at the light of a bulb the doorkeeper saw the sage clearly and recognized him as the chief of the army Gaur Sinha. Then the doorkeeper felt shy and asked to excuse him. Then Gaurva Singha said, "O doorkeeper, I have tested you by many ways. Maya Bahusha Parikshitose. I'm appreciating you because of your duty-mindedness." Saying this, Gaur Simha went to the chamber of Siva Veera. The faithfulness and the regard towards his master and the duty-mindedness of the doorkeeper were known by this lesson. The society and the country will be prosperous if there are such employees in the country.